Did you know that you can have your best ads delivered to someone based on a physical place they are in at any given moment? Did you know that your ads can follow someone for up to 30 days after they have visited almost any location in the world? It's called GeoFencing and GeoFollowing, and combined, they are known as mobile geotactics. Smartphones have changed the way we interact with the world around us, and they have also changed how we advertise products and services. For the first time in history, we have a marketing device walking around with our best customers, and they rarely leave home without it. GPS location services running in the background of a smartphone allow us to see where a potential customer is visiting in real time. Here's an example. Harlan wants a puppy, so he visits his local animal rescue facility. If we owned a pet food store, were a dog groomer, or offered doggy daycare services, we would love to communicate with Harlan. That's exactly what mobile geotactics allows us to do. It's targeting someone's behavior not by what they do online, but by the places they visit. As Harlan leaves the rescue facility with his new puppy, we can immediately serve him ads on his phone for dog grooming, pet food, and other products and services that he will need for his new furry friend. All Harlan has to do is use a mobile app, game, or visit a website from his phone that has ad inventory. Considering the average person checks their phone every 12 minutes and that 90% of mobile time is spent on apps, we have plenty of opportunities for Harlan to see our ad. Mobile geotactic ads can be delivered using a variety of formats, including banner display, video, interactive, and so many more. You can target your competitors' locations, specific neighborhoods, business conferences, job fairs, and shopping centers, just to name a few. There are no limits to the number of locations you can target. And if that wasn't cool enough, mobile geotactics allows for conversion zone reporting. This is one of our favorite parts. Conversion zone reporting allows you to know if the people being served your ads are actually visiting your store. We can even tell if they have visited before or are a first-time customer. The advertising opportunities with mobile geotactics are getting more sophisticated by the day. As our phones continue to get smarter, so does our targeting and reporting capabilities. And to us advertisers, now that's just genius. Contact us today to start your mobile geotactic campaign.